Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet these lovely puff flowers. To make them I used 3mm crochet hook and a double knit yarn. I already have another crochet puff flower tutorial on my channel, but in today's video I'm using a different technique. You can click here for another puff flowers tutorial. I am also going to show you how to join them. Let's start. So we will start with magic circle. If you are not familiar with magic circle, you can chain 4, join with slip stitch and chain 1. We will make magic circle. Chain 1. And now make 6 half double crochet inside the circle. So to make half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So make 6 half double crochet inside the circle. Okay, close the ring and slip stitch to the first stitch. So count them. Do not slip stitch to the chain 1, but to the first stitch, which is here. Cut the yarn and take a new color. Okay, we will make a knot with new color. This is our knot, and now insert your hook into any stitch and pull your knot through the stitch and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Your chain should be a bit tight. Now it's yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch. So here insert your hook, yarn over, pull up the loop. Your yarn should be a bit loosely, not too tight. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. So you should have 3 loops now on your hook, pull through just 2 loops, and you have 2 loops on your hook now. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops on your hook now. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 6 loops on your hook, pull through 2. You have 5 loops on your hook, and now yarn over and pull through all loops. Now chain 3, and chain 3 again should be a bit tight. So stitches should be loosely, chain should be tight. And slip stitch into the same stitch. So everything was done in the same stitch. This is your first petal. Now chain 3 and insert your hook into the next stitch. Into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up the loop, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3 and slip stitch into the same stitch. So repeat that step 4 times more. You should have 6 petals altogether. So one more time I'm gonna show you. Chain 3, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 1 and chain 3, and slip stitch. Make 3 petals more And now so this is the flower, and now I'm gonna show you how to join the flowers. So we have 4 petals done already. Chain 3 and start 5th petal like you normally do. And now take the other flower, left side up, right side should face you. Insert your hook under the chain 3 on the other flower, and yarn over and pull through both loops, through one flower and second flower petal. And now continue like you normally do. Chain 3 and slip stitch to the same stitch of the first flower and make 6th flower. So chain 3, make the petal like you would normally do. Insert your hook under the chain 3 of the second flower and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. So this is how you join them, and continue like you normally do. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please leave thumbs up. See you later, bye.